both put you in front of people that are searching. So both are traffic, they just look different. Local service ads are the ones at the very top with the badge, where basically pay per lead, and Google has checked you out first. Regular search ads are the text ones below, where you pay per click and get more control over where people land. I like having both because they catch the searcher and slightly different moments. But here's the part contractors miss. When regular ads, especially, that click lands on your site. So your site still has to build the trust and your page still has to make the calling easy. The ad type changes how they find you. It doesn't change what closes them. So make sure to build trust on your actual website.